Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to discuss about integration. You see, in your plus 2 syllabus, integration and differential equation is consist of a unit. Okay, that means you can get 20 mark from integration and differential equation. At first you see what is integration. You see, if you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. You see, what is integration? The antiderivative of a function is called integration. Definition: the antiderivative of a function. The antiderivative of a function is called integration. Okay, integration can be denoted. Integration can be denoted by the symbol this. Okay, integration is also called a sum. Integration is also called as sum. Okay, suppose fx is a function. Suppose fx is a function. Okay, integration of fx dx is equal to phi of x plus c. Okay, suppose fx function is given. If we integrate, we can get same type of, we can get phi of x. Okay, that means function of x also. That means function of x. Integration is of two types. In your plus 2 syllabus, integration is of two types. The first one is indefinite integration. Indefinite integral or integration. Second one, definite integration. In case of indefinite integration, you see, c is any arbitrary constant. C is any arbitrary constant. In case of, that means in case of indefinite integration, there is a constant c. Where c is any arbitrary constant, or you can say k. Constant c, where c is any arbitrary constant. There is no constant in definite integration. Okay, there is no constant. There is no constant in definite integration. in case of definite integration, you can get a definite value. Okay, in case of definite integration, you can get a definite value. Okay, here you see integration of fx dx is equal to phi of x. Here phi of x is the integral of f of x. C is any arbitrary constant. Let you see simple fundamental integration formula. Fundamental integration formula. 1. These are the fundamental integration formula. You see, integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. N naught is equal to minus 1. For this formula only, n naught is equal to minus 1. Integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. Integration of e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. Integration of a to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x by ln a plus c. Integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integration of tan x dx is equal to ln sec x plus c or minus ln cos x plus c. Integration of cot x dx is equal to ln sin x plus c. Integration of sec x dx is equal to ln sec x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosec x dx is equal to ln cosec x minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integration of cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec x into tan x dx is equal to sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x into cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. You see, here only given e to the power x dx. This formula, you see, one derivative of x, that is integration of f dash x by f of x dx is equal to ln f of x plus c. Okay, integration of, if derivative is given, if derivative is in the numerator and the function is in the denominator, integration of such type of function is equal to ln f of x plus c. Okay, here given e to the power e dx. E to the power x dx means, you see, suppose e to the x given, we have to write e to the power x plus c. Suppose e to the power 2x 3x 4x something given, suppose nx given dx, we have to write e to the power nx by n plus c. Okay, a to the power x given, suppose if a to the x given, we have to write integration of a to the x dx equal to a to the x by ln a plus c. Suppose a to the power 2x 3x 4x 5x something given, that means we have to write for this integration of a to the power nx dx is equal to a to the power nx by ln n ln a plus c. Okay, so many formulas are given, many more formulas are also given. You pause the video and note it down. Here you see integration of sec x dx is equal to ln sec x plus tan x plus c. Here there is another formula, ln sec x dx is equal to ln tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. plus c. Here also you see this is the formula. Okay, again cosec x dx is equal to another formula ln tan x by 2 plus c. Okay, you see number 15, you see integration of dx is equal to x plus c. Integration of you say cx is integration of c dx, you say, where c is any constant, or you write a dx, you write, that is a integration of dx, okay, is equal to ax plus c. Okay, next you see number 17, integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 18 integration of 1 by 1 minus x square root over is equal to sin inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by x root x square minus a square, this is dx, is equal to 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus c. Okay, you see some more formula. Integration of dx by root over a square plus x square is equal to ln x plus root over a square plus x square plus c. Integration of dx by root over x square minus a square is equal to ln x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. Integration of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2 ln x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of dx by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 ln a plus x by a minus x plus c. Integration of e to the power x sin bx dx is equal to e to the power x by a square plus b square a sin bx into a sin bx plus b cos bx plus c. Integration of e to the power x cos bx dx is equal to e to the power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. You see some more problem. Integration of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Integration of root over x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root over x square plus a square by 2 ln x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. Integration of root over x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root over x square minus a square by 2 ln x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. Algebra of integral, integration of fx plus gx is equal to integration of plus or minus, okay, integration of fx plus or minus gx dx is equal to integration of fx dx plus or minus integration of gx dx. Integration of k fx dx, you see k is a constant, so we can take it out taking common, okay, k of integration of fx dx for a constant k. Okay, these are the formula which we can use in integration.